Center for Study of Social Inclusion, Manipur University, AMADI MAHARAJA BODHCHANDRA College, IMPHAL na SINDUNA, Nongmagi Oiba International Workshop from Pangthokkhre, Sustainability, Inequality and Social Inclusion haiba thimda, MUG Court Hall the Pangthokkiba Tharam aduda Professor Memchat Loitongbam, Dean School of Social Science, Manipur University, Professor Sasi Nandaivam, Department of Economics, University of Bath, United Kingdom, Dr. Vavananda Singh, the Principal, Maharaj BODHCHANDRA College, IMPHAL AMADI, Professor S. Sudhir Kumar Singh, Director, Center for Study of Social Inclusion, Manipur University, na sarugyaki.
UN की Sustainable Development Goal is me punimak tadi loin tanar bangatani. Adubu outside of academia that ko and practitioners that the common people that the understanding say masi karino exactly magi manung hutpa can issue do. Masi partner dum khangna deba. But masi manu khara manung hutpa issue do khang bajam important oeba. Asai sige goals me amje achieve to buta. Aduna ngasai sumbo workshop ama to by say says that the sagi labor goal singziki magi more important ano kahita manung pa issue do uthorkani aba says that discuss torkani aduga once workshops in loraga sida attend to me amsuna ko my just academic magi academia gi worlds that discuss to natana mapanda academia gi mapanda liba mi ga su actively discussion to horkani adodi academia da natana mapanda labor singsu because majority of the people the outside of academia ni adu moi do the importance of the sustainable development goals khan bayam dakar or kind the ultimately goals achieve to target mi puni mak participate to ta but participate to go means the anam man the outside of academia ni ba adana adu participation do purakna bai ta outside of academia da UN gi sustainable development goals in kharab mamut ta khar manung na khanghan kan to go discussion tong ba adugi potu darkar oiba aduna sumba workshops ina adugi opportunity do piba